The amateur says, give me everything, but the professional says, give me constraints. And that is the theme of today's workout. Welcome back to day 8 for Reps for Rona. We have a constraint. Every exercise we do today is going to be with a broomstick. So if you are watching this video, pause it and you want to join in, you want to follow along, go grab a broomstick. This is just the handle. I've taken the head off it. You can, if the head's on yours, it doesn't really matter. But this is our constraint for today, because why is the theme constraints? Well, if you look at what's happening around the world right now, there's a lot of constraints. So we need to learn how to deal with constraints, how we can make the most of them. Because it's too easy to go, yes, give me more, give me more, give me more. Right? So 10 minutes on the clock. You know the drill, 30 seconds on, 30 seconds off. We have stick game, standing alternating arms, burpees. We're gonna do some jumps as well with the stick. Then we have some feet taps, balancing act. So we'll use this as like a tightrope to walk along. And then finally, we're gonna finish with some stick plank. Now I did try this before and fell over several times, as you can see, by the dirty knees. And I thought about not including it, but I thought, no. That's one of the constraints. If I can't do it, I need to practice being able to do it. So let's get started.
Starting your top it on.
First one is stick game.
Ready.
So we're just gonna let our stick sit here, one hand behind the back. So I'm using my right hand. We're just gonna let the stick fall and then pick it up. Don't let it touch the ground. There we go. Grab it just before it hits the ground. So we're just dancing along, moving around. That's it. Now, if you don't have a stick or if you don't have space to do this, your alternative is lunges. Keep it up. That's it.
Rest.
Whew, that was a tricky one. Now rest. Now the beautiful thing is, while you rest, because we have a stick on hand, we can play around. We can dance a little, we can twirl it around. Now, grab your stick, dig it in, and then dig it into the other side. And we're gonna eventually come in to a full-blown twirl. There we go. Now the next one, we have stick burpee jump overs, I believe.
Exercise.
So down, up, 2 feet, jump to the other side. Down, up, jump to the other side. Nice and simple. Push, up, over the other side. All the way to the ground, hold, up, jump over the other side. Down, hold, up, jump to the other side. Down, hold, up,
Rest.
jump to the other side. Oh yeah, oh yeah, what's next? So we've done stick game, we've done burpees, now we've got feet taps. So put your stick on the ground, feet taps. You're just gonna go up and back, length the stick going, boom, boom. Left, right, left, right, left, right. Okay, so 30 seconds. Oh. You ready?
Exercise.
Left, right, back, 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 left, right, back. Let's see if we can go a little faster. Let's go, come on. Left, right, back, left, right, back. Keep it up. How many lengths can we do in one 30-second block? I'm rolling the stick back towards me. Keep tapping, keep tapping. Right, left this time, right, left, right, left. Keep it up.
Rest.
I got a bit confuddled at the end, but that is all right. That is what it's about. So this one is nice and simple. We've got a little fun balancing act. So again, stick is on the ground, and we're just gonna practice our balance. So we wanna walk, foot on here. So this is all we're trying to do, is just get to the end of the stick without falling over. Now, if you had a broom head on the end, it might be a little easier.
Exercise.
Look at Seven playing around, digging a hole. Good self-isolation, Seven. Dig into the ground. That's it. And now we go backwards. Balancing act. Stay on the stick. So this is one of our constraints, right? We use the stick. We're stuck indoors. Oh. Beautiful. So that's 4 exercises down. Finally, we have the one I could not do before, but I'd like to be able to do it, so that's why we're going to practice it. It's called the stick plank. Now this one, you stand your stick into the ground, and what the goal is to end up in some sort of plank position like this, but instead holding on to the stick. So, as you'll see me try and demonstrate.
Exercise.
So, if you can do this, kudos. So start up high, and then we try to walk down. Take 2. Try to start up high. And then we try to hold it. Come on.
Rest.
We gave it our best shot. Maybe you can do it a little bit better than me. Maybe you're falling over like I am. But we are into the second loop. This time we have stick game. Stick game again. In the first set, we used our right hand to catch the stick. Now, our constraint is that our right hand is now behind our back. So remember, stick here. Don't let it hit the ground. You ready?
Exercise.
Down. Yes, beautiful. 2, 3, 4, 5, keep it up. 6, 7, 8, come on. That's it, a couple more. 9, keep those toes active, keep moving, keep moving. That's it, nice. Whoop. One more.
Rest.
Woohoo! Now, burpees, we'll change. We'll make this one a little bit harder. Now instead of jumping across the width of the stick, we're gonna go from end to end. So, burpee at one end, jump, burpee at the other end. You ready? Getting nice and close to the ground. This is like a full body workout with just a stick.
Exercise.
Down to the bottom, up, jump. Nice. Down to the bottom, up, jump. Beautiful. Down, jump. Down, jump. Keep it up. That's it. Come on, one more.
Rest.
Nice. Now what do we got? Can you remember? I believe it is foot taps. This is our form of dancing for today. It's the feet taps. You can add a little bit of style in this one if you want. Make it a little bit fun. Or even go side to side. Doo-doo. How you been dancing the last few days? If you haven't been, you better be.
Exercise.
So let's go, mix it up. Whatever style you want, freestyle. So around, jump, back, around. That's it. No style for this one, we're embracing randomness. Okay, now bring it back. Taps. Keep it uniform this time, like a Gaussian distribution. Keep it normal. There we go, okay, now randomness. Feet anywhere.
Rest.
B-E-A, beautiful. What do we got left? Our balancing act, how could I forget? Now, it's very important, if you have animals at this time, to give them lots of love and affection. Oh. He doesn't want love. Won't someone love me? You ready? Let's get on this tightrope.
Exercise.
Bring it in. That's it. Whoa, came off. Would you join the circus? That's it. Keep going. You know, I once tried to learn to juggle. Didn't turn out too well. That's it. Balance, back and forth. Maybe come down into a little squat to finish off. There we go. We're up to our last exercise. Beautiful. Nice and simple. We've got the stick plank. Old faithful. The one that I can't do. But that's exactly why I should be able to do it. Or why I should try and do it. Right? Too often I think the amateur sticks to the things that they know. They keep going, they keep going, they keep going. And then eventually, when they come up to a roadblock, they just decide to throw more of what they already know at the problem instead of trying something new. Let's go. I can't even get off the ground. There we go. If you can get here, just hold it. Not even trying to move my hands now. Come on, keep going. Hold it.
Rest.
Whew. Now that one is a challenge, right? The ideal position is that you're holding it there, and God tier is if you can walk up and down the stick while staying in plank with your hands. And so the theme of this workout was constraints. Right now, where the whole world is basically dealing with the constraint of having to stay indoors. Oh, timer's about to finish. I'll just turn that off. So,
Done. Great workout. You spent 10 minutes 7 seconds exercising.
there we go. 10 minutes, 7 seconds. We've got a bonus 7 seconds, even though this is just a 10-minute workout. So the whole world has a bunch of constraints right now. So the question I'm going to leave you off in this video is, what constraints are you facing right now? And how can you use them to make the most of the situation? Is that if you're spending more time indoors, could you get moving? Could you get healthier? If you're spending a lot of time with yourself, how could you understand yourself better? That's one of the constraints that a lot of people are facing right now in self-isolation, is trying to go, wow, I have to spend a lot more time with myself at the moment than I usually would. So how can you make the most of this? What constraints are you facing? How can you make the most of them? Leave a comment below. Otherwise, I'll see you tomorrow. If you have any suggestions for the workout, any constraints will do. I'm open to anything. Bring it on.